Top 5 apps like Selfstudybraincom play Roblox online site reviews that actually work today. If you play Roblox online, you won't believe what happens next. Most people get this wrong, thinking Selfstudybraincom is the only place for free spins or rewards, but there are apps that are safer, verified, and actually work. First up is Roblox Mobile. The official app allows you to play games, earn in-game rewards, and access events safely. It's the most secure and reliable option. Second is Roblox. Roblox tracks verified giveaways, events, and promotions. Its verification system helps you avoid scams and ensures safe participation. Number 3 is Roblox. Roblox provides item tracking, trading insights, and market values. You can find trending limited items and make smarter trades. Fourth is Bloxburg companion apps. These apps guide you through gameplay, tips, and legitimate ways to earn in-game currency. Higher, safe, and widely used. Finally, Roblox Studio Mobile. While mainly for game creation, it also offers rewards through contests and challenges, letting you earn Robux by designing games or assets. In conclusion, while Selfstudybraincom might seem convenient, these 5 apps provide safe gameplay, verified rewards, and better insights. They make Roblox more enjoyable and secure for every player.